to show you how I turn £2 to £31 with my strategy. So it's one candle strategy, and that's what I follow. That's my own strategy. So everybody have their own strategy, but this is something I've back tested and I've tested it and it works for me. This screen you're watching here is a live account. This is a live account. I turn, you can see how much I invested and how much it worth now. The I'm still in the market right now, as you can see, and I turn this um to £31, just £2. So quickly, let me just show you my strategy. It's just one candle strategy. I do my analysis and I place my entry. It's just one candle strategy. So you can do daily, 4 hours, 3 hours, and up to 15 minutes, depends on you actually. So, and as you can see on my screen here, so I place my entry here. So I can see a change of character here. The moment it breaks the structure, once it breaks the structure, it came back to retest the 50% of the move to the upside, which is the higher high. So it came to test the 50%, and I look for my entry here. As you can see, let me enlarge it a little bit so you can see. I look for my entry here, and once I got my entry, I place my trade, and ever since, you could see this is an early entry because I have two ways of strategy: change of structure or break of structure. So I trade either of the two, but this one is change of structure. I trade from here, so it's just one candle strategy, and once you have that one candle strategy in place, then you'll be able to stack your trade and keep moving to the upside. And there is one more thing I need to show you. I need to show you my entry. Should I do that on this live video or another video? But this is a live account, as you can see. However, I have my broker that I'm using. They are the best broker ever, one of the best. I don't want to say the best broker ever. Their spread is not really much at all, and the leverage is up to 1,000. So you can this leverage I'm using here is 1,000. That depends. You have to be careful. So that you start with 100 leverage, 500 leverage, just to back test it with a little amount of money. Then you can increase it to 1,000 leverage. So they are very, very good and reliable, and you can withdraw instantly with this broker. So and that is that. So go on my description link. You could see the referral link there. Just click on it, then it will take you directly to the account. Then you could open an account. They don't have stress at all. Everything go on smoothly with them. Then you can invest any amount of money as you like. You can invest Bitcoin as well, depending how you want to invest. So just put the money and you start trading little by little. And this tool has what we call you can set your stop loss just by pulling up and down. You can set your profits as well. On this one, I set my profit towards upside. Let me see if I can see. You can see. So I set my take profit at this stage. So, and which I continue and keep watching. You see, I started with one candle, but it has increased to several candles. So, but you must be able to know your own strategy. So let me now show you my strategy with one candle. Let me see if I can reduce this. Yeah, calm down. So now this is the lower low. So it moved to the top as if it's gonna break the structure here. This is 4-hour structure, but I need to go to the 15 minutes candle so that you can see. Glory. So it broke the structure here. It broke the structure here. So it immediately I could see a change of character from here. Let me enlarge it a little bit so you can see clearly. See a change of character here. See a change of character here. The moment it went there to this area, one candle, I look for my entry here and I place my entry. And I've just been watching, taking the ride to the top. So mainly I always take my entry from 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Take my entry from 5 minutes. And that's what I watch. Place my. So I think I took my entry here. Let's enlarge it here. He broke the structure, this one, and once he broke it, I went to the top, then I took it from there. I took my trade from, is it here or here? I can't remember. What time is it? Yeah, I took it during this time at night because I've been watching this market moving to the upside, so I was waiting for the pull down. So it came down. So nearly it came down. I noticed in the 1 minute candle it changed the structure. Let's move to the 1 minute candle. Can we actually see? The screen is very small. Apologies for that. I need to use. Well, let me just continue with it. Normally, I would have used Trading View. It's better off with Trading View. 15 minutes. Yeah. So it changed structure here. I think 15 minutes shows it perfectly. So the moment there's a change of structure, I wait for the pull down. Immediately pull down and break this line. I took my trade, and that is it. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and to for you to be able to see amazing videos which I'm going to be posting, and to be able to see my strategy moving forward. So it's just one kind of structure, but I will spend a day to educate us that specific one candle that I look for. So once you get that candle, you just have to place your trade. So subscribe and like, and look for it. Well, we'll see you next time. God bless.